Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping ingredients so the cooking flow is continuous. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon milk, a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk until blended. This adds air for a tender scramble. Meanwhile, split and toast the buns lightly so they can support moisture without sogging. Once done, heat a non-stick pan on medium and add 1 tablespoon butter. Make sure it foams before pouring eggs to get even cooking and flavor. You want to control temperature for creamy eggs, so pour the whisked eggs into the foaming butter and immediately lower heat to medium-low. This prevents rubbery texture. Stir slowly with a silicone spatula, pushing from edges to center to form large, soft curds while leaving moist patches. This yields tender bites. When eggs are nearly set, add cheese if using and fold briefly so it melts. Once they still look slightly glossy, remove from heat. Residual heat you assemble immediately so eggs stay warm and pillowy. Spread a thin layer of butter or mayo on each toasted bun to create a moisture barrier, then pile the scrambled eggs evenly on the bottom half. Add optional greens or a dash of hot sauce for contrast. Press the top bun gently to compact the sandwich, then return to the pan for 20-30 seconds to warm through. If the sandwich becomes soggy, make sure toasting is longer and blot any excess moisture before rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.